How's it going? Welcome back. Today is a good day. Not only is today Wednesday, but today is Wheel Wednesday. And not just any wheel, I got my wheels. Finally, all my friends and family heard me talk about how much I always wanted wheels and I always wanted 3-piece wheels. Well, you know what? I got some. You guys not ready for it. You guys are not ready to see these wheels. So these wheels are going on the Lexus. They are 3-piece. If you guys want to take a chance, pause the video, go down and comment what you guys think the wheels are. Maybe you guys are right, maybe you guys aren't. I've been dying to freaking post these wheels on Instagram so I can reveal them, but I'd rather show them here on YouTube first before I do the reveal. So let's get to this reveal and I'll show you guys my wheels. So I'm only gonna pull out one wheel for now because, well, actually I'll pull out 2 wheels so I'm gonna test fit them on the car. I do know that the front is a little wider, but don't worry, I even got something for that too. And here goes that wheel. These are the work carving head 40's. They're 19-inch, but they're a step lip, so they're 18-inch faces. So what do you guys think? You guys like it? Comment down below if you guys like the wheels and tell me your opinion on them. So along with these carving heads, the center caps are also very, very rare. They're really hard to find. I've actually think I've seen maybe one other person selling them, but they were like a long time ago. The post is outdated. Also, I tried to look up these wheels and see posts, but they're like all outdated. It's like 2015, 2014. So I have not seen anyone recently trying to sell a set of these carving heads. If any of your buddies or you are running carving heads, comment down below. I want to see your guys' builds. I want to see how they came out on your car. Alrighty, so right now, I'm going to pull the Lexus in, test fit these wheels, and I'll show you guys how the fitment came out and what the specs are. Alright, the wheels are on. You guys ready to see it? Oh. There they go. The wheels are on. So this is about zeroed camber. I wish I could get, there we go, I can get a pretty good shot right here. But this is what it looks like from the side and the rear. So this is gonna be cambered. I don't have anything adjusted right now or even this bolted in there. I just put the center cap on. But I do have to get a hub centric spacer and some new lug nuts for this because the stock lug nuts do not fit. And camber it out, roll this fender, and it should be able to fit in there, honestly. The rear is not my problem. The front though, the front is iffy. I might need to rechange the lips on them because they might be too big. So let's check out the front. So this one needs a spacer because the guy told me that it cleared his front big brake kit, but you know, stock LS400s, they come big brakes in the front and this did not clear it. So I just need like a 10 mil spacer, something just very small, and I should be able to fit the front wheel on. But fitment wise, damn! Shit is huge! So I'm thinking if I roll this fender out some and camber it a lot, this will fit. Maybe. So in my opinion, I already came to the conclusion that I'm going to change the front lips out on both sides. I also want to change out all the hardware because they're all like silverish chrome hardware, you know, the basic ones. And I'll change these all to gold to match the center caps. I just wish I could run these wheels already. But it's cool, you know. Everything takes time. Don't rush it. God damn, look at that headlight. That needs to be cleaned. So with my front suspension, I do plan on running camber in the front and rear. I'm probably gonna try to match it up so I can go pretty low. I do plan on also going stiffer in the front. My 20K coilovers are not stiff enough. Over here in my closet, I do have some cut spindles, and those were the camber and trailing arm or camber arm, something like that for the rear. And finally my 2-arm came in, so that'll probably be the video before this one comes out. So you'll see that first. But this I haven't put on yet just because of the fact that I want to paint it purple. Which I finally got the purple paint. I just have to get a sander and sand down that white. So what do you guys think about these wheels? I like them. They're growing on me a lot. I like the high polish it has on it. I know the front is gonna give me some problems, but you know, in the long run, it'll definitely work out and I can get it to fit. So I know I'm talking about rebuilding these wheels and everything, but that's just 'cause I want to run them right now. Not necessarily in a rush, but you know, you have these wheels and I don't want them to sit around for too long. So I'm gonna get them to fit. But in the end, the final project that I want is with these bad babies right here. This is my 3.5-inch ulterior motive flares that have to be welded on. They go right there. I'll show you guys how this basically would fit the front fitment. Uh-oh. That kind of basically fits my front fitment right there as is, with no camber or anything. But you guys are not ready for that right now, okay? I'm not even ready for that. I bought those flares about 2 years ago and I still have yet to do anything with them. They just sit in my closet. So I'm not even ready for it. Once I find somebody that I can install them, they'll get installed. The car will actually get painted, which is what I want to. So there's still a lot more of this project that needs to be done. So I know I don't want to rebuild these wheels to the flares yet. I'm gonna rebuild them to stock body. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys like my work carving head 40s. Also, yes, the specs are 19 by 10.5 -35 squared. Made sure I said that at the end of the video so you guys can finish it to find out.